Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pair JBL Flip 5 with Bluetooth device. To pair your JBL with a Bluetooth device such as smartphone or tablet, you can follow these steps. Simply turn on the JBL Flip 5, press the power button on your JBL Flip 5 to turn it on. The power button is usually located on the side or the back of the speaker. Enable the Bluetooth on your device on the notifications panel. Open the Bluetooth settings on your smartphone or tablet. This is usually found in the settings menu under the Bluetooth or connections, and put the JBL 5 in pairing mode. Press and hold the Bluetooth button on the JBL Flip 5 for about 3 seconds. The Bluetooth button is typically located on the side or the back of the speaker and is indicated by the Bluetooth symbol. And in your device's Bluetooth settings, you should see the JBL Flip 5 listed under available devices. Select the JBL Flip 5 to pair it with the device. Complete the pairing process. Once you select the JBL Flip 5, your device will attempt to pair with the speaker. You may be prompted to enter a pairing code, which is usually 0000 or 1234. Follow any on-screen instruction to complete the pairing process, and when you are paired is successful, you should see a confirmation message on your device, and the Bluetooth light on the JBL Flip 5 will stop blinking and remain solid. And to ensure the connection is successful, play some audio on your device. The sound should now come from JBL Flip 5 speaker. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.